All right, everybody. So next up we have Vit with Night Rider, our Byte at Night student for the day. And he's got Equity Watchlist. It's a financial analytics terminal.
Hi guys. Today I will present my final project, which is Equity Watchlist. This is my project goals. Build a tool that will allow a user to create your own list of equity stocks and keep it in focus. Display stock market reports. Build your own database for historical prices in order to visualize it in the charts. Apply acquired skills like JavaScript and libraries and frameworks, Python libraries, Flask routes, SQL database, data visualization tools. This is brief project scheme. So what I have in my app: secured sign up and sign in to the application with hashed password. Ability to generate your own watch list of equity stocks. Receiving latest real-time data, well, almost latest real-time data. Summary financial statistics. Data visualization in any date range within the last 5 years. And also look up reports from IX trading. It's top. So far, it's only 3 reports. It's top 10 of most active gainers or losers stocks. What kind of problem I had when I was working on this project? First of all, it's a lack of open API financial data or limits on usage of open API data. Solution, that what I have. This is creating your own database. Also using combined sources of data, database and online sources. Displaying and caching data at the same time. In order to accommodate IX data limits, what I did, created app database to store a large volume of data. Downloaded equity data. I was lucky actually. I downloaded more than 8,000 stocks for all financial, statistic, historical prices, even news for last 5 years from IX trading before they moved to cloud and put limit on usage. It has more than 5.5 million rows in my database. Also, I created intermediate API to seamlessly integrate cached data and API requests. I also rewrote ORM. It's object relation mapping. You know what is this? You work on it. But I adapted to use with MySQL instead of SQLite 3. Here is simplified scheme. My main road, which is handle my idea to combine online and database data. So first of all, I'm finding last record in my database for given ticker. After that, I'm finding last record position in range I have. And depends of where is range. It takes, if your range is early than your last record, it's taking all info from database. If range is between of, in that case, I have 2 slices. One of slice I'm taking from database, and second slice I'm taking from online source, recording, and after that concatenating and return chart data to display. And also, if last record is more latest than, last record is earlier than my range, I'm taking this slice, but actually I'm taking bigger slice, starting from my last record and to the end my range, and recording it and displaying range I need. I also have option if not records at all for this for given ticker. It takes all data for 5 years, recording and returning to display. The tools and technology to get it done. To build this app, I use React.js, HTML, CSS, also React libraries, regular one like React, React Router DOM, Browser Router, Redirect, and Route. I also use Material UI, it was very helpful, and React Date Picker, which allows me to set date range in charts, and Round 2 and React Select. For data visualization, I'm using React Apex charts. For API and logic, I use Python, Flask, and MySQL. PyMySQL is just for work with my database, which is MySQL. Time to demo. Here's is. Oops. What happened? I didn't touch it. Ah, okay. I push escape. All right. Sorry. Okay, here you can sign up if you don't have an account here, and sign in, which is I will use right now. And coming straight to my watch list. This is table from Material UA, which allows you to so all rows here are clickable and select, and you can select it and sort and do sort for any column, for example, whatever you want. Also, there is pagination here. Also, what I can do here, so I can add any ticker. Here you go. And it's already here, maybe on second. Yes, it's on second. I also can delete like bunch of tickers or just one. What I can do, what is it? This is watch list, and you can also go to any ticker, to any stocks deeply. And what we have here, we have this is actually summary quotes, and also you can set here a chart for at least for 5 days, 1 month, intraday, whatever you want. I also, after that, you can go deeply to charts data, and here you can choose any range of data you want, or 5 day. You also can make custom range, whatever. Okay, let's go early. January and till today. Here you go. So you can check any date. You can see price for given data. And also third one. By the way, I was trying to make similar to Yahoo Finance finance feature, so and create few functionalities similar to them. Here what is it? And also you have screener where you can find latest reports from IX trading, which is can give you main information about stocks. This is most active, this is gainers, this is losers. You can also go deeply again, and if you like here, if you want to see this ticker in your watch list, you can just set it very very easy. Also, you can add right from this report. Also, I can do not follow stocks from my watch list and find any USA stocks which are interesting. So from any page, in summary, you can do same from this page or statistic. And you can add it. That's pretty much it what I have so far, and we can go back to extend the challenges. What challenges I met when I was working on this project? Sorry. This is synchronize different libraries into one application. Also adopt ORM Python to MySQL, which allows application to work with many user accounts. It was challenging to create an algorithm that will combine online data and database for data visualization, minimizing free API data usage. Take that breakdowns what's going on, especially record data to the database without duplicates and missed dates, and display data for any request date range. What extended feature I wanna do later? It's much deep stock screener tool that can be used to filter stocks based on user-defined metrics. Also, on adding web scrape real-time indexes to app and creating user portfolio feature simulator for virtual stock trading. That's it.
Dude, that was awesome!
Any question?